Here are 5 healthy vegetables that are commonly recognized for their nutritional benefits. Broccoli. Broccoli is packed with vitamins C, K, and A, as well as fiber and folate. It also contains compounds with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, making it a great addition to a healthy diet. Spinach. Spinach is a nutrient-dense leafy green vegetable. It is an excellent source of vitamins A, C, and K, as well as folate, iron, and fiber. Spinach is also rich in antioxidants, which can help protect the body against oxidative stress. Bell peppers. Bell peppers, available in various colors such as red, yellow, and green, are low in calories and high in nutrients. They are a great source of vitamin C, vitamin A, and potassium. Bell peppers also provide fiber and antioxidants. Carrots. Carrots are well known for their high content of beta-carotene, a precursor of vitamin A. They are also a good source of fiber, vitamin K, and potassium. Carrots are not only beneficial for eye health but also contribute to healthy skin and immune function. Kale. Kale is a leafy green vegetable that is rich in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as minerals like calcium and potassium. It also contains beneficial compounds, such as antioxidants and phytochemicals, which have been linked to various health benefits. Incorporating these vegetables into your diet can help provide a wide range of essential nutrients and contribute to overall health and well-being. Remember to vary your vegetable choices to obtain a diverse array of nutrients.